Today we're going to make the sushi rolls with Nutella and banana and with turkey, ham and cranberry with the cheese. I'm sure that they would love it too. Let's start with a tortilla first. Would you please give me the Nutella? Let's do it. You want to do it or mommy?
I want to do it.
Yeah, I want to engage you more in the kitchen. You're going to be my next cook, huh? I'm going to sit back and leave all the kitchen to you. Cooking to you, not the kitchen. Put the other side. That's nice. While you're doing that, I'm gonna make ready the banana, peel off the skin. Yes. Okay, then the banana that we peeled it off, we're going to put it here. You put it.
How do I put it?
Just put it this side because we're gonna roll it this way, okay?
Okay.
No, from this. Okay, wait. Just a little bit push it down and roll it. Yes, Daria, that's great. Okay, the first part is always, not very nice. From this side and the end. Now this size is fine, Daria. What do you think?
Yeah.
You want it bigger, the sushis?
Like this.
Yeah, okay. Yes, put it this. Okay, that's nice. Okay, let's start with our chicken ham wrap with cranberry, okay? We have these two slices of white bread. The best thing is we just cut the corners because we need to roll it a little bit to make it flat. Then it's easier to make the sushi with that. Okay, let's see. Now, next step is rolling the toast. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, roll the bread for mommy. Careful. No, that's fine. Go ahead. Yes. Oh, look at this. Now it's so flat. This one. Let's see. That's fine. Yes. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough, Daria. Thank you, Daria. Now,
Lovely.
the cranberry sauce. Bring it here, please. This is your knife.
Knife.
You can spread it, and I'm using this knife. Okay, Daria, would you please go and get the edam cheese from the fridge for mommy?
Okay, Captain. Right at your service.
Hurry up, honey, hurry up. You have lots of things to do today. Okay, let's see. I have to open the pack. Yes, I'll grate some cheese here. Okay, let's put some. You can put for your own roll.
Okay.
Not too much, huh? Okay, let's start with our chicken ham. What do you think? I think it's better to make it in half, then we can roll it. Let mommy do it. Okay. Let's start with this half. One for your sushi, one for me. Okay, now the interesting part, rolling. Okay, let's roll. 1, 2, 3. That's very nice. Not with that. The first, yeah. Wait. Okay, that's for you, my hungry child. Okay. Look at them. They look so yummy. Yes.
Whoa.
Very nice.
I can't say.
No, leave that. Please bring the lunchbox from the cupboard.
Okay, Captain.
Thank you, darling. Just have to open this.
Mom, can
Slowly.
I garnish the Nutella with
Yes,
some
let me put them
strawberries?
slowly here.
Strawberry.
Okay, your favorite one, the Nutella. And at the other side, we can put the chicken
Chicken.
ham. We can. Let me finish with the garnishing them. Okay, Daria, please do the garnishing.
Okay.
You can add anything you want.
I'm going to put 2 strawberries to make a heart on the Nutella.
Oh.
Because I love strawberries.
Okay, now you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna bring this cute mold to put the cucumber in. You happy with that? That's nice. Look at this. It's lovely and we're done with this. Just we have to close the cover and put it in the lunchbox. Oops. Okay.